Welcome to Phone Transformer channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to record voice on Samsung S22, step by step. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. First, take your Samsung S22 and open the Play Store app. Make sure you're logged into the correct Google account so you can download apps without any issues. Step 2. Now, tap on the search bar, which you'll find at the top of the screen. Type in Samsung Voice Recorder and wait for the search results to appear. Step 3. From the list of apps, look for Samsung Voice Recorder. Once you find it, tap on the Install button. If you already have the app installed, no worries. You can simply open it directly. Step 4. Once the installation is complete, open the Samsung Voice Recorder app. You'll see a red microphone icon on the screen. Tap on it to begin recording. Step 5. Now, start speaking, and the app will instantly capture your voice. If you decide to pause the recording, simply tap on the pause icon. When you're ready to continue, tap on the red circle icon again to resume. Step 6. Once you're done recording, tap on the square stop icon. A window will pop up, allowing you to rename your recording. Enter a name for your file, and then confirm by tapping the Save button. Your recorded voice will be automatically saved. Step 7. If you want to delete a recording, press and hold the recorded file. Then, tap on the Delete option and confirm by selecting Move to Trash. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.